Hey, it's John again with a really neat new quick Excel function. How to map values according to a table. So here we've got a list of states and a number of relatives that I have in each one of those states. So pretty easy to do. You just select the data that you have. You go to the Insert tab, go to Maps, and you click down, click the map. Boom, there's your fill map. Now, if you go up here, you can choose different chart styles, different backgrounds, what have you. You can also change the geographic location, but you have to do that first. In any case, you click the map that you want. You can move it up here. You go make it a little bigger, and then if you right click on the map and you format this, it'll pop up over here, map labels, show all. It'll put the letters in there. The bigger you make, that you can play around with the font sizes and so forth. The bigger you make the map, the more able it is to read. So you can go up and change the color schemes to make it a little more consistent with maybe what you have, monochromatic, or to be able, if you have a lot of states that don't have, in this case we're using states, if you have a lot of states that don't have any relatives in it, then you would want a better contrast for those states that have very few, so that you can see all the different ones. But useful if you manage a geographic area across the US, if you have sales, if you have locations, what have you. So neat little tool. Takes a lot of the guesswork out, makes the presentations look a little better. It's kind of a lot of fun. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, and we will see you next time. Thanks for tuning in.